Mountain community. My name is Patience Goodham. I'm the Mariposa County Fire Inspector. Today I'm here with my friend, firefighter Daniel. We're here to talk to you about the importance of fire extinguishers in the home. We want you to know how to use them, what they're for, and when is the best time for you to use them in your home. Daniel's going to tell you about what a fire extinguisher is.
Hello everyone, my name is firefighter Daniel Norland. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about fire extinguishers and what they do. So first off, fire extinguishers are an active fire protection device. They're to be used on smaller fires to control or extinguish them. They're not supposed to be used on larger fires, and if you do find yourself with a larger fire, the best course of action is to call 911. And now I'm going to pass back to Patience Good to explain what the different types of fires are.
Thank you, Daniel. Now I'm going to tell you why it is important to know the types of fires. So over here we have examples of a type A fire, which consists of paper, wood, or trash, or even all three. Then a type B fire consists of compressed gas or liquids such as gasoline. A type C fire is our electronics fires. It can be anywhere from computers to laptops to phones, anything that is electronic. Then you have our type D fires, which consists of combustible metals, anything that is a combustible metal. And finally, you've got your type K fires, which consist of oils that you use in your kitchen or greases that are in your kitchen. And now I'm going to have firefighter Norland tell you about fire extinguishers that you should have in your home.
So there are three different types of extinguishers that you could find in your home. There's the type A, the type AB, or the type ABC. In your type A fire extinguisher, you're going to find water. In the AB extinguisher, you're going to find AFFF or FFP foam extinguishing. In the ABC is a monoammonium phosphate or dry chemical. Now this is the fire extinguisher that you're going to commonly find inside your home. And in fact, this is what we recommend that everyone should have in their home, a 5-pound ABC fire extinguisher. You may be familiar with other types of fire extinguishers, such as a K extinguisher. Those are more commonly found in a commercial restaurant than in your home. Now I'm going to turn the time back over to Patience to talk about how often to inspect, the breakdown, and how to replace fire extinguishers.
Thank you, firefighter Norland. As the Mariposa County Fire Inspector, it is my job to inform you that your fire extinguishers need to be inspected every single year. They need to be broke down by a professional every 6 years. And they need, if they have not been broke down and if they have not been inspected, they really need to be replaced every 15 years. And sometimes even if they have had those things done, they still need to be replaced if they're not in working order. The best way to figure out how old your fire extinguisher is and when it was last inspected is, for the inspections, they either have the inspection tag here at the top, or they also have an inspection tag on the bottle saying when it was last inspected. For finding out how old your fire extinguisher is, you can either find the creation date at the top, the bottom, or on the tag of the fire extinguisher. Now, I'm going to have my partner, firefighter Norland, tell you about where to put your fire extinguishers in the home.
So in your home, you should have at least one fire extinguisher in your kitchen, preferably one of these 5-pound ABC fire extinguishers. Now, you can mount them in your home in one of three ways. You can either have them mounted to a wall or placed in a cupboard that's clearly marked for fire extinguishers. You can also have them in a fire extinguisher cabinet, such as this one here, that's clearly marked and visible for when you need it. Other places that you might be able to find a fire extinguisher or where you should have one stored is near your fireplace or your barbecue. Especially if you are using burn piles throughout the winter months, you should have a type A fire extinguisher nearby, just in case the fire gets out of hand. Now that you know all of the places to put and how many fire extinguishers you should have in your home, I'm going to turn it back over to Patience before we turn outside. Patience?
I have no more comments. I think we're ready to go outside and test out these fire extinguishers. Now that we're outside, I'm going to talk to you about our fire triangle. The fire triangle consists of 3 different elements: fuel, heat, and oxygen. If you remove one or more of these items, the fire will go out. Now I'm going to have my partner, firefighter Norland, show you how to use a fire extinguisher.
So the fire extinguisher that we're going to use today is the 5-pound ABC fire extinguisher that we recommend you keep in your home. On the side of the fire extinguisher, you'll find the instructions on how to use it. The best way to remember the instructions are using the pass method. First, you're going to pull the pin at the top of the fire extinguisher. Then, you're going to aim the nozzle, squeeze the handle, and then begin sweeping at the base of the fire. This is the most effective and efficient way to extinguish a fire using this fire extinguisher. Now, we're going to demonstrate how to use this on a real fire. Remember, pass, pull the pin, aim the handle, squeeze, and sweep at the base of the fire.
Wow, great job firefighter Norland for teaching us how to use a fire extinguisher. Now that you've taken the time to watch this video and see where to put your fire extinguisher, how to use it, and what type of fires there are, we are confident in our community being able to use their fire extinguishers. So everybody, please stay fire safe and have a great day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.